really booked your flight? What are you leaving for though? Like we got 2 more days. You couldn't just wait for the next flight?
No.
It's not that. I wasn't cheating. She literally asked me a question and she asked me for my number so she can get location. Is that a problem? She asked for a location.
You can go with that.
Like you doing extra, you drive. Okay, well, listen, baby, please. I don't want to mess up the trip. I don't want to mess up my vacation trip.
Oh, you don't want to mess up the trip.
Yeah, because it's not that serious. Just wait. Just sit down and talk to me. Like you.
What do you want to talk about?
I literally told you it wasn't like that.
I have a plan of cash.
Why would you book your flight?
I heard you the 17th time you said it.
Okay, listen. I will pay you back for the missed flight. Can you just stay here for the last 2 nights?
You disgust me. I don't even want to look at you. No.
Okay, explain to me why do I disgust you? I didn't do nothing. I understand you don't want me to give out my number to no other female, but I told you it's only for location.
What the fuck does that mean, location?
She wanted a location.
A location to
the spot she was trying to go to. Like what are you not understanding?
I understand.
Bro, you're not gonna leave. Can you just please stay, please?
Not gonna leave. It's crazy.
Just. All right. I'm sorry.
I understand you.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna show you how sorry you're about to be.
Yes. First of all, your suitcase not even. Like,
Don't worry about me.
You're doing too much. That was extra to book a whole. You spent $600 on a flight. Well, you could have just waited for your trip. Like, make it make sense. Is it ever that serious?
It is.
For what though?
Nigga like you.
I didn't cheat. Stop saying.
So why did you lie about it at first?
Because I knew you were gonna be acting like. You feel me?
Oh.
I don't got time for that.
Oh.
It's not that. Okay, let me see this. Listen, I'm not gonna. Okay, well, I'll be standing right in front of the door.
I don't want to have to hit you.
I'm not gonna put your hands on me. Yeah, I'm telling you, you're gonna miss that flight. Baby, please just give me one more chance. It wasn't like, it wasn't nothing like that.
Move.
Baby, it wasn't nothing like that. Give me another chance. Come on. Please.
Hey, you just pushed him. Nah, man.
Please. I said I'm sorry.
I must have called security.
And I literally, you're gonna call security for what?
I am. Because you're not letting me leave.
You're not leaving. You're not gonna leave me here by myself. We're on vacation. Like, this is a beautiful, what is you doing? Why would you, don't call front desk. That's doing to. Don't call front desk, bro. Just sit down. Relax, sit down. Sit down, you're doing too much. Listen to me, you're doing too much. You're gonna regret this in a few hours. It's not that serious. I literally told you what I was doing, and I said I'm sorry. I gave her my number for the location.
Let it
cool.
go.
Well, not cool, but just understand me. It was nothing like that. And I'm pretty sure you know that. It's not even my speed. So is you gonna stay here and I'll give you the $600 back?
Yeah. I'll see it.
All right, take your stuff off.
I got it.
I love you.
Man, listen, brother. Nah, she already, her mind is already made up, man. Once it gets to that doggone point, man, you just need to let it go. First of all, the fact that this brother is sitting up in here and begging, oh my goodness. At the end, okay, let me try to look at it from her lens, right? You out on vacation with your boyfriend, and you see him getting a number from, or giving his number out to another girl. That's disrespectful. I mean, completely disrespectful. And then the BS excuse that he gave as to why he gave out his number, like, bro, if you gonna do something, stand on business. You know what I'm saying? Like, she got your number. Once she leave, you can just go ahead and just tell the other girl a couple of dollars. I'm joking. No, I don't condone stuff like that, man. Bro, I don't think under any circumstance she's gonna stay. I think that as soon as he get comfortable, go to sleep or whatever, then this young lady is out. She dipping. Yeah, I don't know, man. I damn sure ain't begging no damn body. Like, listen, if anything, I would have opened the door for her. You never, under any circumstances, stand in front of a door, keep somebody somewhere that they don't want to be, refuse to let them go. And then on top of that, you put your hands on her. Yeah, it's not a good look. Not a good look, fam. Technically, that would be classified as assault. He put his hands on her, so yeah. If she wanted to, bro, she can get you locked up, press charges, the whole night. Is that Cheesecake Factory over there? That look like y'all was at Cheesecake Factory. Y'all should be having fun, man. Like that's if you going on vacation, like you're supposed to be going to have a good time. Not sit here and be doing the most like this. But these two individuals don't need to be in any type of relationship. This brother right here, obviously, you're weak, man. You're weak. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? I mean, she all right. I'm not really with all of that, with wavy hair crap. But she's a decent looking young lady, man. I don't understand why you got guys out there that possibly could have a decent looking young lady in her life. She don't seem like she's aggressive, even though he seems like he's the aggressor. You know, I didn't hear her say anything disrespectful. You got potentially a decent young lady out here, and she got to deal with this little Ike Turner putting his hands on women, which I definitely don't agree with, man. Yeah, she should have called security on that mofo. Call security and leave immediately. Immediately get up out of there. But yeah, y'all let me know what do you guys think down in the comments about this, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.